We printed these gears in the last video, but I had to stop the print midway. See these curvy lines? This isn't supposed to be like this. Let's find out what went wrong, but before that, I've got an enclosure for my 3D printer. If you'd like to skip the assembly, you can go to the next chapter where we talk about Orca Slicer. For this enclosure, I built a custom setup with an exhaust to fan out ultrafine particles and toxic gases. More on that in a minute. Just like we saw in Ender 3 assembly, everything is numbered. Not sure if the manual is visible to you guys, but it's pretty easy setup. I've linked another video at the top so you don't make the same mistake I did while getting this skeleton inside the enclosure bag. It can get pretty tight. More about this exhaust in a minute, but check these bends. Not sure if they are supposed to be this way, looks very rough. Reality can make the enclosure bag a bit bigger, to be honest. Well, I have closed it from the front with a little opening here. That is to allow the air in for the fan to work properly. I've shut this a little and you can see the fan vents are not as open as before. If you close this completely, the exhaust is now struggling. You need proper airflow to push polluted air out of the window. Now back to the gears. This is Orca Slicer. Note there are many fraudulent and malicious websites. Thanks to my antivirus, it blocked those when I, being unaware, landed upon them. You can find the correct link from the GitHub repo linked in the description. You see these default temperatures, it's too high. When we printed the mannequin echo, the printer nozzle was at 200 degrees. There are plenty of settings and options you can explore and customize as per your printer and filament. I have linked up a beginner tutorial video at the top to learn Orca Slicer. Export the G code and let's print. Oh, the bed is not leveled. Let's try again. Better, but still not leveled. Her time is the charm. I had to pause it as there were some residue filaments stuck to the nozzle. Here is how it looks this time. So good and structured. For modeling, I use Autodesk Fusion, but for Involute gears, there's a shortcut. Go to Utilities, then Add-ins, then Scripts, and select the Spur gear. Pressure angle at standard 20 degrees. You can set other parameters as per your preferences. We'll discuss backlash in the next video. And there you go. Export it and open in Orca Slicer. See you next week.